Hello everyone. Welcome to MindSnap Math. Today we're going to learn 4 easy and important math concepts. They are median, mode, range. These 4 concepts help us understand a group of numbers. Let's first learn the mean. What is the mean? Mean equals average. The mean is another word for the average. To find the mean, add all the numbers together. Then divide by the number of values. Mean equals sum of all values, divided by number of values. Remember this simple formula. First, find the total. Then divide by how many numbers there are. Example 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Let's find the mean. Add the numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 is equal to 45. Count the numbers. 5 values. Now divide. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. The mean is 9. Example 2, 12, 14, 16, 18. Try it yourself. Let's solve it. 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 is equal to 60. There are 4 values. Now divide. 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. The mean is 15. Example 3, 20, 25, 30, 40. Can you find the mean? Let's check. 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 is equal to 150. There are 5 values. Now divide. 150 divided by 5 is equal to 30. Excellent. Quick practice. For 6, 8, 10. Mean equals 7. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Mean equals 7. 8, 12, 16, 20. Mean equals 14. Common mistakes equals A. Forgetting a number. B. Dividing by the wrong number. B. Adding incorrectly. Always add every number carefully. Then count how many numbers you have. Finally, divide by the correct number of values. Summary equals mean equals average. Add all values. Divide by the number of values. Great job. Now you know how to calculate the mean.